Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe, like and share if you're just tuning in for the first time, and for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this gilly on my clients. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. Okay, so when tying gilly, it's very important that you fold the edges of the gilly before even placing it on your client's head or on your head. This is very important so that the edges of the gilly, the rough part of the gilly, does not show. So what I did was to fold the edges of the gilly, and then I placed the gilly on her head, and then I made about 8 pleats before I continued with any other thing at all. So this is very important. You really have to make sure that your pleats are neatly done and are nice. And then after doing that, I made sure that I traced the pleats down towards her neck area. I did it for both sides, but in this video I'm just going to show one side. The rule for this particular gilly today is 80-20. One hand of your gilly has to really be longer than the other hand of your gilly. And then I got so many requests saying that I should tie gilly on someone, anybody at all, because I usually tie on myself. So I decided to try this video today. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys love it. So right now I'm just going to take the 80 part of our gilly, and then I'm going to make pleats with it, the normal round pleats down towards the other side of her face. But right now I'm going to make pleats from this side of her face to the middle, which is the left hand side of her face towards the middle, and then from the middle to the other side of her face. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gilly, it's very important that you do that, because with that you're going to learn how to, and it's just easier that way. So you really need to watch my previous videos on how to tie gilly. I have so many videos on how to tie different types of trending gillies, and if you love any of them, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe and like and share. So I'm just going to make pleats. Right now I made to the middle of her head. I'm going to trace that pleat down. I'm going to trace those pleats down towards the other side of her face. I'm so sorry guys, my client was really in a hurry, so I had to rush up this video. But I'm going to make another detailed tutorial, but I will be tying that one on my head. So just watch out, because my next video is going to be how to tie this particular gilly on my head. So I do hope you guys stay tuned and watch. Don't fail to turn on your notification button, it's very important. So after tracing the pleats down towards her neck area, I'm just going to take the 20 part of my gilly. I'm going to twist it and then pin it. This gilly is so big. I feel like if I knot the gilly right now, it's not really going to give me what I want, and everything might just unravel. So I'm just going to twist the remaining part of the gilly and take it towards the back and pin it properly. So right now I'm done tying her gilly. The beauty of the gilly is what I'm going to be doing right now. You just have to make sure that you arrange your gilly properly so that it gives you that round, the normal infinity shape before you make it into an onion or a love shape. What I'm doing right now is very important if you want to get that shape, that onion or love shape. You just have to keep pushing and pulling it up. It's if you're scared that it's going to unravel or it's going to just go back to the normal or the round infinity shape, it is not. You just have to keep pushing, and I assure you that it's going to stand firm. And also you have to take note that the gele you're going to be using has to be a firm gele so that it doesn't unravel. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my